Hello everyone and welcome back to Project Ford UK. I'm Danny. It's officially Citroen Saxo season and I'm on a little bit of a road trip now to go and pick up some parts I've bought for the car. I went through a lot of it in the last video. I'm over the moon that I've managed to find these bits for it. Can't wait to actually get this little bit of a road trip out of the way as well because I'm absolutely shattered. I had a tough day, but yeah, not too far from where I live. Go and get these bits and then I'll be a much happier man. It weren't a bad little journey that, only down the road. Shout out to Lewis for sorting me out with all these bits. I don't know if you can see them behind me. I think I've got sunstroke today or sunburn. I can feel my lips throbbing, they feel like they're going to explode. I feel like absolute death. There weren't much left on the Saxo. I've just got all these parts from. It totally rotted out. The rear axle had gone through the boot. It was a mess actually. Shout outs to the boy for stripping it though. One dies to allow another one live. That's the rule. So I'm going to get back home now and then I'll show you what bits I've managed to get. I'm really happy with the price. Thanks again to Lewis for allowing me to come and collect them. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I've pulled over now. I'm just going to show you the parts. I'm not going to do it outside my house because my neighbours think I'm a weirdo anyway. I'd just like to give a big shout out to the Berlingo, and this is the reason why everyone should own one. Has never let me down, this car, and this is the reason why every household should own one. Because you can just fit everything you want in it. I've basically got a full Saxo in here. It's a bit of an exaggeration. I've got quite a few bits. Let's get it all out so I can show you what I've been buying. Item number one is the driver's door. I've got that trim inside. It's got the wing mirrors on, which I wanted. No caps though, but you can get replacement caps off eBay. It's got the trims inside, which I was missing. It's still got the regulators in and the central locking modules as well. So yeah, that's the first one. I've got a new blind for the sunroof. Mine's missing all these clips, so I just thought I may as well get a new one, seeing as he had it there. I've got the missing clip at home with the Saxo, so that should keep the sun out on them sunny days if you want to block the sunroof off. We've got the passenger door in there as well. A wing mirror on it again. All the internal trims are on the inside, but most importantly, it's got a door lock that's not been smashed to bits like the one on mine has. More bits in here. We've got a door for the glove box. My handle's broke, this one's perfect. I've got the whole lot. I've got rear lights for the car now, so they can take them tinted ones off. That's an MOT failure, so that's good. Really happy with this find. It's a complete standard airbox for the car. Pretty hard to get hold of, so I can take that horrible K&M filter off and make the car not as noisy. We've got a rear wiper motor for the car as well with the wiper arm. It's missing on mine. It's got rear wiper delete. Don't like it. I want to have a rear wiper back on it, so I'm chuffed I've got that as well. I got the fuse box cover. I'm not sure if mine is missing, so I just thought I'd get it anyway. Apparently they go missing when people make cars into track cars, but I've got a spare one now. Well, there you go people, quick update video on the Saxo. I've been getting plenty of parts now. There's not much left to get this car through its MOT. Just as soon as the body shop opens, I can get the screen taken out, get the A-pillar repaired where the dent is, and get this car through its MOT. There's a few sensors I need to buy, a few gaiters as well. I think the one on the steering rack's missing, maybe a CV joint boot is missing as well. But once I get the car up on axle stands, I can have a proper look for myself. I've got pretty much everything that's like visually to look at for the car now. It's going to look 10 times better when these doors go on. Like I said in the previous clips, the doors are full units. They've got everything inside them, the central locking modules, they've got the window regulators. So hopefully it should be quite an easy job to swap all that over. As always, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Any comments, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, I will always reply. Keep safe during lockdown. Still plenty to come on the Saxo, and I'll see you in the next video.